Check, check, mic check. What is crack-lacking, y'all? I see Awakeon on Discord. I got God on Twitch. What's up? Hello, hello. I did some shit with my mic, so let me know if like the audio is fucked or not. In theory, I should be louder and the music should be quieter, but you know, let's find out together. All right, let's see. Is this? Can I see Discord chat? It's sorry for the jump scare. Glad it is better. Yeah, you can turn me back down now. How's the music in relationship to my voice, though? That's the big question. Music is quiet. All right, now let's turn it up. Let's see. Where do I turn it up? Let's turn it up in OBS. All right, how's that? Actually, no, that won't do anything. Hold on. Okay, that seems loud. All right, how's this for the music in relationship to my voice? Yeah, it's louder. Okay, how's the balance between the two, though? God says it's fine on Twitch. Voice is way fucking louder. Yeah. I downloaded a new thing and turned up the gain literally to max. Cool. All right. Yeah, well, I mean, yeah, everyone was always complaining about how quiet I was, and I just didn't understand why, so I finally got it right. All right, model's working, Natu is Natuing. All right, cool, we're cooking. What's up? If anything, your mic is too loud now. Jesus Christ, it sounds shouty. Okay, well, I can turn it down. All right, let's play with this. What's it called? Road Central. Here, let's fuck with it. Okay, audio setup. All right, let's turn my gain down like... All right, how's this? Seems like a consequence of gain. Yeah, that makes sense. All right. How, check, mic check. I'm saying words. I am talking into a microphone. That sounds okay, as in we can get better. Or, actually, yeah, you're an audio guy. Like, you tell me, God. Like, what am I doing here? This sounds okay, yeah. Yeah, like I want to be 60. All right, let's go up one. All right, this is 60. I am now speaking at 60 decibels gain, and we'll see if that's better. Let's see if God tells me that my music is good or not. That's what I'm hoping for. We're praying, we're crossing our fingers that I get the thumbs up and approve. Seems fine. All right, sick. Cool. Thanks. All right, and yeah, happy to make more adjustments. I just want people to have a good time, you know. All right, what are people working on? Awakeon, how's your dex going? How far in are you? And God, have you finished all of Johto yet? It's been a while, so you had plenty of time, right? Don't LOL me. Come on, it's been like months. Come on. Where's Johto? I'm scripting. Oh, you moved off map making and you're making scripts now? I can't remember. Are you following Heart Gold Soul Silver or GSC? Because GSC is really simple, and Heart Gold Soul Silver has the one scene with Ethan and his Meryl. Both sorta? Okay. And other than that, there are no majorly complex scenes in New Barks. That should be easy peasy, right? Had to restart again. My repo got very messed up. Wait, what? You had to restart? That seems insane. Taking a break to work on Chris. I mean, taking a break is fine, but restarting the repo seems very drastic. Unless, wait, did you already do that? I feel like we talked about you restarting a repo and me telling you this before. Yeah. I mean, if you're taking a break, it's whatever. I need to do Elm's Lab thing in the starter select. Yeah. I don't know how well you're going to be able to replicate this 3D effect from Elm's Lab scene, but aside from that, it should be fine, right? Should be easy enough. Keeps happening next time. I'm not updating my repo because I'm tired of this happening. I mean, I think the better answer is get better at using Git so you can restore back to not broken points. And I think like solving merge conflicts is just a skill. Like not updating just means you are saying like, "Yep, there are bugs. I'm just gonna hold on to them." You know. I simply won't. It'll just be like the bag where you have them all stationary. I see. I mean, I think that's the sane answer. I think Linus is a bot, so we're just gonna hit that young ban button. Let's see. Cool. Yeah, I think not replicating it is smart, or maybe doing like a less fancy version. But yeah, how far did you get in the region before you switched to scripting? Just curious. Okay, change column. Let's see. Still at Violet. Oh, okay. And so is your plan to script from Newbark to Violet? Other than trying to make the rocket plotline more bearable. I mean, there's so much to do there because it's so lackluster. It should be easy, right? What's your plan for Crystal? Like, what kind of game are you trying to make there? All right, and I think also getting Newbark to Violet done is like a good like demo, I guess, going, which is nice. Yeah, excited to see how that turns out. It should be sick. All right, edit page, okay, so this is the task that runs at the type pages. So now I need, yep, and then the delta. And then, do I have the column already set up? I can't remember. I'll come back to that later. And then changing rows, the same thing. Static void, species filter, edit page, change row. Also with the delta as a possible negative number. And then go back to the filter page, toggle. Yeah, that turns it on and off. Okay, so I need to get the cursor working first. How far did I get? This doesn't even compile, I bet. I want to get a Vasora demo out. Oh, are you like gonna release it when you get that far? Oh wait, Keon, how common are crystal difficulty hacks? I don't follow Gen 2 at all, so I literally don't know. What up, Vol? It's crack-lacking. I'm unsure. Yeah, but you're doing it, so fuck it. CK Plus. Crystal Kaizo Plus. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's the only one I can think of off the top of my head. Like, I feel like there are way less of those than Emerald. Probably because C is easier than assembly. And the scene is just more mature. Like, the tools are better from what my rudimentary understanding. I could be wrong about that. Okay. I need to... Did I make a struct for... Polished crystal might count as a difficulty hack? I don't remember. Wait, how do I pull for 1.10? There are instructions in the announcement post. I know because I wrote the line that is quoted for updating. But basically you add RHH as a remote and then you just pull. Okay. Unbound music. Yeah, dude. Unbound music is... Oh, I don't have the music thing turned on. Whoops. I turned it off because I was streaming a game. Where is it? Where's now playing? Now playing. There we go. Thank you for reminding me. Yeah, the Paradox Sound Music team has like remastered versions of all the Unbound music, so I bought it all last week. It's great. They do good work. Okay, Pokédex lists, number of mons. Okay, so this is the list. This is the species menu, species list. Okay. Did I make a struct for... I don't think I did, so I need to do that next. Filter edit page. Yeah, I think that's the right way to go about it. God, there's so many structs. Filter edit page. But I only need... Thanks for the follow, Envy Love. Weird I didn't get a... Oh, I don't think I have kick notif set up. That's why. I should do that. Yeah, I'll do that eventually. Yeah, I only have Twitch and YouTube set up. Okay, so filter edit page... Cursor... The best part about working on Crystal, all the stuff I need has tutorials, so I don't have to learn ASM, anything there's actually scripting. Okay, how hard is scripting in Crystal versus Gen 3? Given that the same people made it, it can't be that different, right? Okay, and then this needs cursor coordinates. Filter list position. Wait. Filter. Oh, interesting. Oh, I did do this. Okay, it's part of the state. Okay, cool. Okay, so where did I make any of these? I did not. Okay, so I need getters and setters for. Oh, okay. Filter cursor coordinate. Filter list position is get current position in filter list. That is for okay. Okay, so these are all the filters in themselves, not on the edit page. Okay, so then so many filters. Okay, and then the edit pages are the list position, and then the cursor coordinates. And then, do I need anything else aside from that? I don't think so. Yeah, I just need these two. Okay, so I need getters and setters for these. Yes. Okay. Cool. So far, it's about the same in difficulty. Sick. My project still builds. Hell yeah. Congrats. So far, it's the same in difficulty. I mean, I've made this mistake is like thinking, oh, because it compiles, everything is fine and stuff will like silently break in the background. I had like a mega eval function broken for over a year because I just didn't notice. So I would definitely like at some point read through the changelog and just make sure it didn't touch anything that you touched. And yeah, good. It's the same in difficulty, Awakeon. And I feel like also being in a new code base will like open your mind to alternate ways of approaching things. So when you, if you come back to Gen 3, like you're better for it. So big fan. Setup. Okay. And then I will do, where is it? Okay, I need getters and setters for this. Okay, so this is static void set. Okay, hold on. Species filter, edit page, set list position. And then passing in position. And then Pokédex state, right? And then edit page list position. Static void species filter edit page get list position. Oh wait, that shouldn't be void, that should be a 32. Whoops. Okay. Why did I use a tab there? Okay, and then this is just return this. Okay, that's awesome. And then Y and X positions. Yeah, then it's like set and get cursor coordinates. Okay, so species filter, edit page, get cursor coordinate. And then this is axis. Right? Okay, so return S Pokédex state. Edit page, cursor coordinates, and then axis. Static void set. Okay. This is a set, and then for the second one, that's the position, right? Yes. Okay. And then this just becomes position. Yes. Okay. All right. So we've got a get and set for all of those, and then changing the row. Hold on. I need to get my Figma open. Why is my desk vibrating? Who's messaging? What do you want? Oh, that's actually important. Install on next. Install now. Just get the update. Call it a day. Let's see. Oh, am I? Does it say? Hold on. Do I have the right? Pokemon development. Building a Pokédex. Okay. All right. Okay, this is the wrong screen. We need the Pokédex, because that's what we're working on. Hell yeah. And what were we doing? The filter pages. Okay, it's this one. So I think it's like I have to look at the number of options. Yeah. Okay. So change column is just old cursor position. Got it. Okay. Change column is X and change. Wait, no. Column is Y. Okay. Okay, so current coordinate. Current coordinate is species, filter, edit page, get cursor coordinate. And then this one, column is Y, so 1. Excuse me. Ooh, Lord. Okay. Constant UI Pokédex. Do I have axes? No. Alright, it's fine. Excuse me. Okay, so the cursor, current coordinate, and then new coordinate. Current coordinate, and then the delta. And then if that new delta, oh no, this should be S. Yeah, and then if new coordinate is less than 0, then you make it 0. Oh no, then you make it the max column. Well, how do you know what the max column is? max column. I'll figure out what that is later. And then if new coordinate is greater than 0, then new coordinate is 0. Or no, greater than max column. And then otherwise, you do set species filter edit page set cursor coordinate is, and then new coordinate. Okay. And then it knows new column by looking at the page. So I need to, I need to tell it for every page what is the dimensions of the grid. And I think the best way to do that is just hard coding. Hey, this is left. Yeah, the grid is this big. Don't let it go over this, which means making a lookup table. Yeah, that sounds about right. And then, and then for types, it's going to be different. Yeah, okay. All right, so let's do that then. And we'll just update it as we go. And I wonder, should it be an enum? I don't think so. I think it should just be like for each one. Okay, so let's do define Pokédex, edit, type, max, column is 3, and then define, and then this is 6. Edit, type, max, row is 2, and then I'll make a lookup table for like static. How do I do this again? Static const. Is it a pointer? Edit page. Nope. Hold on. Edit page grid max. And then this is the number of different pages there are. Right? Where are the filters? Yeah, I need to list the filter. There we go. Okay. Filter list. Okay. There we go. And then those are all different. Okay, so filter list count. And then this is 2. Okay, and then now it's Pokédex, edit, type max column, and then I'll figure out a way to calculate this max column because the other one should be row. Okay. How do I get the current page? If I press the A button, switch to edit page. Here we go. Filter, go to edit page. Okay. Current filter. I need a function to set the current filter. Search page filter tasks. Okay. Set up functions and then set the task. Okay. Current filter. Current edit page. Okay, let's do that. Okay. Oh, wait, I can just do this. Yeah, I don't need to. I can always just look at the position in the filter list. Okay, cool. Never mind then. Yes. And then column edit page grid max. Oh, it was right above. Haha. Okay. Okay, I can close this. Yeah. Edit page grid max. Pokédex edit type max. Oh wait, no, I want. Yeah, hold on. I want like whatever the, so it's like current filter. And then this is 1. Yeah, new coordinate is that. And then if it's over that, edit page. I should do this too. Okay, edit page. Max column should be edit page grid max. Current filter 1. Okay. And then let's delete that. And then we'll do max column. Okay. Oh, shit. Max column. Yeah. All right. So if that, then that. Okay. Here's a funny Gen 2 fact. Chuck's Polyrath can still miss after using hypnosis after using Mind Reader due to all AI trainers having an X 25% chance to miss status moves. I did not know that. That is a fascinating nerf. I've never seen that in actual gameplay, nor have I seen anybody call it out, which means either it's broken or Chuck does not get a chance to use 2 moves. But that's funny. That would be an insane thing to like think you learned something from the CPU and watch it miss and be like, well, never mind. Insane. All right, cool. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, Griffin just messaged me. We'll take a look after stream. Thank you so much for looking. All right, cool. Max column is greater. Okay, this should compile. And then this is the same thing for row, but okay. Kinda. That makes sure it wraps. Okay. Okay, so now current coordinate, this one is 0, and then okay, that's 0, and then 0, and this is max row now. So max row and max row, and Max row. Okay, that should work. Okay. Something interesting to think about is if Gen 2 Scald existed, water types would be more immune to the Scald burn. What do you mean by more immune? Can water types not be burned in Gen 2? Yeah, what am I missing? Also, I wish Scald had existed in Gen 2, so they would have gotten rid of it that much sooner. Or it would have gotten nerfed like 10 years ago. I think what's unfortunate about Scald is I think it's like a neat thematic move and effect. It's just like entirely too powerful, and I'm very afraid that Game Freak will have learned the lesson, no more cool shit like that. Whereas I think the answer is like, you just nerf it a little bit, or its distribution doesn't have to be fucking insane. Since the game checks the move type, and if the moves types are same to decide if a Pokemon can be afflicted with the secondary stat. Wait, so like if Pikachu is using Fire Blast, I can't be burned? Or, sorry, if Magikarp gets hit with a Fire Blast, it can't be burned? I'm confused. But that is also an insane thing to check. Why? Interesting. The only reason fire types can't be burned is because all moves that can burn. Ah, okay. Okay, it's crazy that fire types got that buff, but electric types didn't. Like, you can still paralyze electric type Pokemon in Gen 2. So that's really funny. It's interesting that we saw that very design philosophy get like really codified in Gen 6, where a bunch of types got these secondary buffs like grass with powder and shadow with trapping, or ghost with trapping. But it's crazy that it took a decade later for them to do it. But it's cool to see that like they were thinking about it all the way back then. Honestly, I think they should have done that a while ago. Like, another one is like, I think all rock types just have sturdy from the jump. Like, it's not an ability, it's just rock types can't be O-code, period. Yeah, I wish Pokemon could play more into that, and I think it's a thing that could happen. But that is neat. Thank you for sharing. Okay, this is 0, this is 1. Okay, this should compile. And I should get it to tell me, I should print debugs to tell me after this, like what is the, okay, so what I'll do is debug print X is that, and Y is that, and then get, I know, species filter, edit page, cursor coordinate. Oh wait, the position needs to change. Shit. Okay, so change column, set cursor coordinate, but also needs to match. So edit page, set wait, what did I call it? Set list position. Set list position. Okay. Okay. So hold on. Get current list position. Okay. Oh wait, no. This needs to be, yeah, okay. Species filter, edit page, get current, get list position. Yeah. Oh, I spelled position wrong. That's funny. Damn, this baseline goes so fucking hard. Doom, 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 doom. Hell yeah. I mean, as it should for the final boss. But damn, goes hard. I'm gonna message Pascal right now. Who did this track? Is it Pascal before I credit the right person? Let me see. How do I look at properties of a song? I don't know. I'll do it in the Paradox Music server. Nah, hold on. Now I gotta DM. Now I'm distracted. I'll DM him later. Alright, let's get back to this. This theme gives me flashbacks to Solar Flare, Sunforest Wade, and Trick Room Hoop and Bounds. That's right, Sunflora got a buff and Unbound, right? Totally forgot about that. See, that's why, yeah, I am strictly, I don't want to play games that change the Pokemon, but when it's shit like Sunflora and Ledian, like things that I will not notice and don't give a fuck about, yeah, sure, whatever. Like, I'd rather you didn't, but the fact that I didn't notice throughout the entire game says a lot. Yeah, I see, I like that, but I think that is bad from a game design perspective, but for what me, PSF, likes, that is what I want. Like, if you do buffs, I want to not know about them at all. Like, the moment I notice something's off, I'm done playing. Like, it's an automatic off for me. So the fact that I got through all of Unbound, and I think part of the problem is, like, and I don't know how competitively minded Skelly is, but, like, aside from, like, you know, 10 people, you are one of them. Yeah, well, I think you would agree with this. Most people, the Venn diagram of people who know how to battle and people who make ROM hacks are two circles. There are very few people that do both. Like, you are one of the few. And so most people do not understand the implications of their nerfs and buffs. Which is part of the reason why I don't want to play games where people change them, because, like, most of the changes are just bad. The other reason is I don't want to learn a Pokemon again. Like, Ledian in my head has been calcified for 20 years. I don't want to learn whatever fancy new shit it gets. Give it a Mega if you have to. Let's see. Get list position. Did I do that? Oh, it's here. Okay, and then the column means it moves to the right by one. Interesting. So this is now set list position is current list position plus oh wait, max row is 6. Okay, so plus Pokédex edit. That needs to be multiplied. Okay, so actually by the... Okay, so now this is... If you change the column, right? So edit page, grid... Plus column times the delta. Okay. And then this is the same thing, but instead it's max row plus delta. And then I need current list position. Let's see. Okay. All right, and then I need a debug function to do that. Edit page, get cursor coordinate 0, and then species filter, edit page, get cursor coordinate 1, and then this one, the species filter, edit page, get cursor, get list position, yeah. And I need to, okay. I don't know if that'll work, but it's worth a shot. List position. Position. Okay, let's compile. Let's see what happens. All right. Let's see. Do. I wonder. Damn, it's taking forever. Wonder why. That is insane. Aha. What? Oh, I need to declare. Oh shit, there's a lot of it. Okay. Change column. All right. Fine. Okay, so we got change column. Okay. Interesting. Change row. Change column. Okay. Okay, hold on. Let me start over. I'm gonna copy you. Copy you. And then okay. I hate this part, but it's fine. Cursor coordinates. Okay. And then okay. Okay, what else? Oh, why did you crash? That's not good. All right, let's compile. Let's see what happens. I do take into account that the player needs to know how to use change Pokemon. For the most part, change Pokemon to play similar to older counterparts just better. However, some get reworks like Letty, which I'm fine with because Letty's reputation is being bad, so completely changing that isn't a big deal to me. Yeah, Letty stays bad, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, and for the record, like I think like your hack's whole goal is to reimagine every Mon. And I think that's like a fine and good thing to do. And I think what you're doing of like, let me find this Pokemon a niche to exist in. Like, I think that is, if you're going to make balance changes, that is the correct way to do it. I just don't like them. But I think if you're going to do it the Awakeon way. Or don't fucking bother. which is, you know, a lot of work and a tall ask, but, you know, I'm unreasonable, so here we are. Why do you need a... I don't understand why you need a... Oh, it's else if. That's why. Oh, the other one needs it too then. Got it. Else if. Okay. Else if without a previous if. What do you mean? Oh, whoops. Yeah. Thanks for reminding me of the Radical Red Bastion. I was still the one who was trying to commit Dauntless Shield because they forgot to give it a healing move. I mean, what healing moves do rock types even have? Like, what thematically? I literally don't know. I'm asking. Like, is there anything you can give it? Is Shore Up a rock type move that heals? Sure. Okay, cool. Yeah. Yeah, again, I don't know how much battling Supercell does. So he doesn't think, he just thinks, oh, make it tankier and give it Dauntless Shield. He's not thinking, oh, defensive Pokemon only do well when they have the ability to recover HP outside of an item. Garganacl, yeah, Garganacl did kind of break the mold there. But yeah, again, this is I need competitive battling literacy, and most people don't have that. Which is where you come in. Like, I am looking forward. I do hope your hack gets popular in that, like, I hope people understand. Like, if I'm right about you, which I think I am, like, people like you and Kaiser, like, oh, I have to fundamentally understand how these changes holistically affect the meta of my game and the niches that my Pokemon play. Yeah, and I don't think people get that. But yeah, I'm fucking rooting for you, dude. Okay. I need commas. Okay. Oh, I need a. That's why. Okay. Change column used but never defined. Okay, that should be fixed now. So let's see now. What in the Undertale am I listening to? All right, she compiles. Interesting. Why did I go back here? Huh. I wonder why. I'll just start a new game. It's fine. Can't. Oh. Okay. And then filter. And then interesting. Why is this not changing? That's not good. E-pad down. Oh, hold on. Species filter, edit page, change row. Okay, let me do this. Let me move you into the actual functions where it's happening. So let me move you here, and actually I'm gonna make a whole new debug function. Hold on, ready? Static void debug print coordinates void, and then debug print coordinates. Okay. Okay, great. All right, cool. Let's see. Come on. Do. Why does that take so long? Oh, it must be. Oh, I know why. Gen 2 shouldn't be hard to give every mono a niche. I think the hardest mon so far has been Politoed. I didn't figure that out. Yeah, I'm thinking normal typing, so kind of acts like a special counterpart to Seeking, who's also normal type. Interesting. Physical Seeking makes sense. Normal Goldfish makes sense to me. I mean, is Gen 2 easier because there's less mechanics? So there's less Pokemon, so there's less niches to create? Like, that seems logical to me. Yeah, less mons overall. Yeah, there's less Pokemon competing. There aren't 14 different flying normal types. That makes sense to me. Filter. Interesting. Oh, it just suddenly works now. Okay, cool. All right, so let's position X is 1. Why is that? X 3, 4, 5. That must be Y. And then this loops back to 0. Okay. But I need less than that. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Alright, it seems to be working. 0, 0. Okay, the list position is completely fucked, but that's okay. That we can cap. Okay. I wonder if I could just use the coordinates. Yeah, actually, I think the smarter play is use the coordinates to... Making Wigglytuff genuinely more uniquely made me feel like a genius making it. Fairy Flying, which makes unique and cool Pokemon. Ooh, that sounds fun. What Fairy Flyings do we have? It's like Togekiss, and that's it, right? I can't think of any other ones. I always felt bad that Clefable got Magic Guard and just like ran away with the world. And Wigglytuff just got left in the fucking dirt. Like, I wish... Alright, I mean, it's still not too late to make Wigglytuff the offensive counterpart. Like, just give, like, Wigglytuff, like, Mold Breaker or something. I don't know, but... But is that what you did, made it offensive? Yeah. Oh, wait, what do you mean by unique concept? I'm interested, because I actually don't have, like, context into how unique it could be. Oh, it rolled back over. Interesting. You can literally puff. Oh, I thought you meant competitive Yes. Got it. Yeah, give it something. Give it a bunch of sound moves. Let it fly. Yeah, I think there's so much that they left on the table with Wigglytuff. I agree. Okay. I think it's going to be just set list position. Okay, so static, void, species, filter, edit page, set list position from coordinates. And then just look at both coordinates. Because that's what I'm doing on the current page anyway. X, Y, and then for each page, yeah, 0, 0. So each column is worth, like, for example, 0, 1 should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So is it just plus the number of, yeah, is it column times, yeah, it's max column times column plus row. Okay, so let me get, so it's column, right now it's like Yeah, y times max column plus x. Okay. And then how do I get max column? You can give it higher attack, bulk up, fluffy, and aerialate. We'll flood it. Yeah, you're gonna make it a physical attacker? Because I think the other way to differentiate from Clefable is make it a physical attacker and let Clefable handle being defensive. Like Wigglytuff just becomes slightly more offensive Blissey, like more balanced Blissey, in that it has more attack but less defense, not as huge of a wall. And then yeah, Wigglytuff is just totally offensive. I feel like Fluffy makes sense thematically, but does... Yeah, that's perfect. I think Fluffy makes... And even Jigglypuff too in the Smash series is all physical. I feel like Fluffy is not a good... Like thematically works, but does not work for the niche you're trying to make for Wigglytuff. Like, in what universe would my bulky physical attacker use Fluffy? Versus Aerialate. Like, Aerialate is insane. Yeah, when would I ever not use Aerialate? Let's see. Okay, hold on. Give me 1 second. Real life beckons. All right, I'm back. What did I miss? The thought with Fluffy is that you just make it decessantly tanky. You can set up bulk ups. Okay. Just make it this unkillable wall. Okay, that makes sense. It'll have fly, so you don't, in case you don't use Aerialate. No abilities Gen 2, but the fairy. Yeah, I get that. I feel is fly even worth it? Even if it's super offensive, I feel like there's just nothing you can do to make fly and dig and dive work as moves. Unless, like, you massively buff them. Like, you make the punishment of taking them really bad. Okay. So change... Oh, yeah. Okay, hold on. So you get the coordinates, you get the max column. That's what I was doing. Copy that. And then... Okay. And then and then new coordinate is, oh, you need, whoops, current filter. Okay, and then new coordinate is y times max column plus x, and then you set it. And then you don't even worry about the delta. Yeah, I think this is the play. New coordinate. It's PvE, so they work. It's just people don't like wait 2 turns for a 90 PP move. Oh, it's PvE. Okay, I do forget that you are making a PvE game where Fly and Dig are actually viable again. And yes, 2 turns for 90. Yeah, 2 turns for 90 BP is crazy when Electroshot is right there. Like, also 2 turns and does it way better. Do you, like, just give Fly and Dig them, like, here's the tree stat, is you give them +1 evasiveness, like, after you use it or something like that. Yeah, I feel like this could work. Fly is evasiveness, Dig is defense, Dive is special defense. Yeah, there's something here for sure. And yeah, just bring them up to speed with Electroshot, which I think Electroshot is like, its BP is too strong, but I actually think it is a well-designed move. Like, it's a solar beam, it's a very strong solar beam, like, nuke, but you have to put it on a random team, and I feel like, yeah, figuring out a less overtuned version of that could be interesting. Oh, I don't have this function. Okay. Okay, hold on. Whoops. And then filter. Okay, cool. Okay. Unironically, Fly can be busted on certain models like Braviary or Poison Heal Gliscor. Okay, I've played in gens with Poison Heal Gliscor. I've never seen Fly. Is that a thing now? Like, I literally don't know. But noted. But that's still like that feels like a one scenario rather than just make Fly viable on Wigglytuff, you know? Like, that doesn't help your Wigglytuff problem. Although I wonder, do you even make Fly good? Like, would you rather a world where you just have to pick Aerialate or Fluffy? Because I feel like if I pick Fluffy but still have Fly, then I don't actually have to pick. Yeah, I don't know what the right answer is here. Oh, I need to... Okay, let's see. Let's paste that. Oh. Okay. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Yep. Okay, that is working. And then this is... No, that did not work. Why didn't that work? Set list cursor from page coordinates. Let's see. Okay, why max column? Interesting. Why is it 3? Oh, this should be... I see. Hold on. It should be plus this. Yeah, okay. Okay, and then let me look at that debug function. Get cursor coordinate X. I still gotta make Fly better. I gotta go through a lot of moves in general, make them a lot better. One gym so bad makes you question. Yeah. I mean, remember, Gen 1 and 2 had a different design philosophy around moves and Pokemon entirely. Like, remember, the first 2 gens were very Final Fantasy, or like a traditional JRPG coded, where like everyone is supposed to use normal moves for the most part, and then like every so often you whip out Fire Blast or whatever, and that you have like 1 or 2 magic moves. Like, that was the design philosophy. So yes, you have to retool all the moves from Gen 1 and 2 if you want to bring them into the more modern design philosophy, which is a lot of work for sure. Like it's actually, I think, the most interesting thing that they didn't do that on the switch to Gen 3 when they consciously made a decision to change how they design moves. But they left all the terrible Gen 1 and Gen 2 moves alone. So yeah, I guess you don't have to edit 1,000 mons, but instead you're doing 1,000 moves. There's no escape. Sorry. Get cursor coordinate Y. Okay, so why is it giving me weird shit? Where's the debug function? Okay. That's X. That's Y. Okay, so I must just have these backwards. No, the columns are right. The rows are right. I'm so confused. A good amount of them don't need editing. Wait, your last message says that there are a lot that are so bad. And I think that is true. I would be surprised if you didn't touch like 150 of them in some way. Also, it's 256 because they ran out of room. That's funny. Okay, 4198. Current list position. Oh, I don't need this anymore. That's right. Okay, and I don't need this anymore. And then max column. Okay, 4234. And then max column is 1. So this should be 6 times Y. Okay. And then max row. Yep. Okay, I fixed that. Reset position. Okay. Let's see. How is Strider doing in VGC? Let's see. I gotta change this to just launch from the start menu. Actually, I'm just gonna do that now. Hold on. Initialize. What is? Oh, actually, I know what I'll do. Include. No. UI. Start menu. Excuse me. And then Pokédex. Come on. Open Pokédex from start menu. Okay. And then, okay. So now, title screen. Start. Actually, hold on. UI start menu. Okay, debug start. No, I don't want debug start per se. Okay, oh. Is the task ID even in here? It is. Yes. Okay, and then I'll just comment that out. Okay, cool. Moves like that's 20 years. Yeah, I agree with you that those don't need changing, but my point is the lose your listing, there are 150 of those. That's what I'm saying. Like, that's still the majority of the moves, which is why you have a lot of work ahead of you. But yeah, I agree that you don't touch everything. Also, just get rid of Mega Drain. It's fine. Giga Drain exists. Like, what are we doing here? Like, just eat it. No, nobody will even notice. It's fine. You got nothing to prove. Just make Mega Drain an exact copy of Giga Drain and don't tell anybody. See how long it takes people to even notice. Stream at better times. I was listening to Chaperone when you started. I'm sorry. I hope I didn't interrupt Chaperone. Like, please go listen to her. And yeah, I recognize that this is not a great time. I mean, you can go finish the album and come back. I'll be here till 3, so you got time. Yeah, a weekend. Literally nobody will know. Like, just say nothing and see how long it takes people. All right. No, I already finished. Nice. Yeah, she's great. I almost asked the 3 what time zone. I mean, I think that's a normal question to ask on the internet. It's just that we are in the same time zone. So, it's fine. You are forgiven. Also, how are you? What's up? It's Cracklackin'. How were finals? Are you done? I can't remember if you said you were done or almost done when we talked last week. Yeah, fuck yeah. Winter break, baby. How'd you do? I was almost done. Okay, see, I'm remembering. Not that old. How do you think you did? I assume you just aced them because that's just the expectation I have of you. Fuck yeah. Nice. Congrats. What the hell is happening? I forgot how line integrals work. I mean, I also forgot how line integrals work because I haven't done them in 20 years. So you're doing better than me. Why is it backwards? What? I have to be reporting that wrong. There's no way I'm fucking it up that bad. Okay. X is 0. Okay, so that's, yeah, X is 0, Y. And I did a limit wrong somehow. Just 1, though. There was one question about limits and I got it wrong. Oh, no. I'm so, woof. Did you immediately realize, like, oh, I fucked up, or it wasn't until you got it back that you realized, oh, I fucked up? Okay, what am I doing wrong? This is so weird. Also, I'm just gonna space these out to make it easier to fucking... I get why 80 column people exist. It was something really dumb. Oh, it was like a gimme that you were supposed to get and you just didn't. Those are the worst. And Let's Go Pikachu Eevee, they made Mega Drain 75, no one cared. Is that, well, they, but Giga Drain isn't in that game, right? If memory serves? Like, I do remember that buff. I realized after the test, oh well. You still have a 4.0, that's all that matters, alright? Just let it rock. Your mom Giga Drained me. We have a Hurricane and Dazzling Gleam. How authentic. I feel like, actually, interesting. You should look at Let's Go Pikachu and Eevee for some of its changes. I mean, obviously, it's a simplified version of the modern battling system, but it is a, like, hey, if we did RBY today, here's how it would probably look, which might help your balance philosophy. Like, here are the moves we kept. Here's what we got rid of. Here's how we buffed and nerfed certain things. Yeah, now I think about it. That might be useful for you. RBY, is that some new addition to the LGBT? It's RBY is red, blue, yellow. The first Pokemon games. I do not think there's a correlation between people who play that metagame. Actually, one of my favorite YouTubers is, I believe, actually, there are two RBY YouTube. You liberals always come up with new identities. There are two competitive Pokemon YouTubers that are trans that play the RBY metagame. So maybe there is some correlation there. Or I'm almost at the very least gender non-conforming of some kind. One of them is explicitly trans. The other one I'm not certain. So yeah, maybe there's something there. It is interesting that there are two of them now that I'm thinking about it. Which is sick. There are only two. I know exactly which PokeTubers you're talking about. I mean, Awakeon, that's because there aren't many RBY PokeTubers. Who else is there aside from Plague and Big Yellow? Like, I literally don't know who else there is. I could only be talking about two people. It's like, if I said the rambling Gen 3 or Gen 5 PokeTuber, there's only one person I could be talking about. Like, the competitive PokeTube community is just very small. Yeah, Army, I don't expect you to know that. This is one of the guys talked about the Gen 1 Uber's metagame, and they're really good. Oh, I do remember that video, but they have like one video, right? And I don't even remember their name. Like, you need to do at least like 5 videos for me to remember. I watch people in a stockish manner instead of watching YouTube. I mean, people watching is fun. I'm not going to fight you on that. I love there are two genders, woman and not only partially woman. I'll take that. That one video is amazing. I mean, the fact that you can't name another video means they probably only have one video. Which like says everything. But I do know what video you're talking about. But yeah, competitive PokeTube content is just very small, and there are like 20, yeah, a one-hit wonder, exactly. Yeah, there are like 20 creators in the space. Most of us in the space can just name all of them. Even for the gens I don't watch, like I can name all of the Gen 9 ones off the top of my head. Because there aren't that many. I mean, VGC is a little bit harder. Let bro hit once. His name is Reverend. They actually have multiple videos. Yeah, right, there we go. All right, well, can you please watch all the other videos of Wakeon and tell me how they are? Army, are you going to the motherland for the holidays, or do you stay in the US? What was your rap like, Mr. Pokemon San Fran? Stay in the US. Nice. This probably won't surprise you at all, but I don't have a Spotify account. Like, I don't use Spotify at all. I just don't really listen to music that much. And when I do listen to music, I am listening to the very Pokemon music you're listening to right now. Like, I just have the mobile client for Plex on my phone, and I'll just listen to that. But I very rarely listen to music. Like, when I'm working, I'm listening to either this or a podcast of some kind. And even in the gym, I listen to podcasts. So there's just very rarely opportunities for me to listen to music. Like, I will only listen to music when like my friends go out of their way to tell me, oh, you would like this. Like, I've listened to all of Chaperone's album because Greece is the fatherland, by the way. Whoop, my bad. My bad. Yeah, I know Chaperone because a friend like literally messaged me. Like, she came up to me and she was like, you have to listen to this artist. I know you would like her. Sit down and listen. And I did, and it was amazing. But aside from that, yeah, I don't really listen to music. So nothing for Wrapped. What was your Wrapped like? Pretty good Pokemon at RBY. Oh, I don't remember that video. I'll look it up later. I will not comment on the attractiveness of Chaperone, but I do think she is very talented and I like her music. And that is not me shadily saying she's ugly. It's just my rap was embarrassing. I think, is that a lot? I literally don't know how much that is in the grand scheme of things. Okay, hold on. Let me compile again. Number 1 was Death Grips. 2 was Kendrick. 3 was Motherfucking Doom. I don't think, I mean, the first one is something. I remember the video name as 50% Blood on Chansey. I do not remember that at all, Awikion. Motherfucking Doom. It's. I just realized that's not how most people refer to MF Doom, but in high school somebody said that and it just like caught on, and now I just like instinctively say it. I know. I know. It is. It is literally a meme from my childhood. Just came back, but it's fine. 70k minutes. Okay, that's not a whole lot that I'm thinking about it. Oh wait, yeah, hop off. Wait, is all caps when you spell the man name? It's got to be stylized. Come on, there's brand guidelines. We got to respect the brand guidelines. Why is X going up? Okay, what the fuck? I have to be setting the wrong thing. That has to be it. Change column. Set cursor coordinate. Okay, is 1? Okay, let's look at the get and set. Maybe they're flipped by accident. Okay, let's see. No, it's just axis. 4 was JPEG. I don't think that's that shameful. It's like not a whole lot of hours, but I think your musical tastes, I don't know, maybe because I quote unquote know you, but that sounds like you for what you've talked about. I fail to see what is shameful here. And I feel like everyone's Kendrick is probably artificially inflated from the beef, which is not like a bad thing. It's an interesting thing, if anything. I don't know who Sparks is. But that's because I'm old. No, I actually listen to no beef songs. Not on Spotify, at least. Interesting. Not even Not Like Us? That's a beef song. Even I've listened to that. Sparks has released albums for like 50 years. Holy shit. So that means those albums were coming out when I was a kid. Okay, cool, cool. I've heard Not Like Us. Yeah, it's impossible to, as someone, I don't listen to music and I know not, it's Not Like Us. Like, it's just impossible to avoid. Does that make sense? Set list position, get list position. Okay, cursor coordinates is just taking the axis. And then axis in position. Okay, so what am I doing wrong here? Change row. Oh, I get it. I think I figured it out. Bro is dust. I forgot that you're genuinely ancient. I'm okay with being dust. That's fine. Okay, yeah, I do just have these mixed up. Because when you go down a row, you are changing your Y coordinate. So this needs to be 1. And the maximum row. Okay, and then this needs to be 0. Okay. No, this is 0. And then let's see. Hey, listen to Kimono My House by Sparks. Can I listen to it? What up, Amaranth Toad? It's crack-lacking. I will listen to Sparks. I will put it on, I will listen to it in the car. I don't know if I can listen to it on stream, so I'm not even gonna bother like risking it. But noted. It's like glam rock. I like glam rock. I'm about it. Top artists are Kendrick Lamar, Funk Fiction, and Caravan Palace. I do not know those last two because I'm not hip and cool. Please describe for the class. I like glam rock. I'm a fan. The number of albums I need to listen. Also, bad news. The number of needed albums to listen to officially surpassed 300. Yikes! I mean, that's three. You could do one a day for the rest of the year and clear it. Like, that is a fixable fucking problem. So just, get on it. Let's go. Get it together. Oh wait, hold on. Cancel. But some are 2 hours long. Yeah, start now. And even if you did one a day, they aren't all 2 hours long. So if some you have to split over a couple, go for it. Funk Fiction made part of the No Straight Roads OST and make really good music, and the Sonic Hedgehog. Ooh, okay. Oh, actually, you guys are regulars of the stream, so I would like opinions. As you all know, I don't play many video games, but I am a fan of I'm a fan of bad video game franchises, so I do want to play the new Shadow the Hedgehog game, and I'm probably going to play it around Christmas time. That'll be my Christmas present to myself. The question is, does the chat want to watch me play Shadow the Hedgehog, or should I play it off stream and keep this to just programming? Like, what would I think I would rather play it off stream is my preference. Do it on stream def. Oh shit. Apparently the new Shadow is extremely good. Yeah, that's what I've heard. Yeah, my brother's a huge Sonic fan, and he says it's like one of the best Sonic games outside of Mania in a long time. Yeah, Amaranth, are you asking like what I'm making or what I'm using for my IDE? Do the Shadow game on stream. All right. Fine. Okay. I can do that. And then I was gonna play all the Shadow related games leading up to this for story purposes. Bro does not have an IDE. I don't believe in IDEs. They're for nerds. About the game you develop. I see. I am making a Pokemon fan game. And I am currently working on the Pokédex, which you can see here. It's the Pokédex, and I'm working on the filters right now. Make Pokemon fan fiction next. Bold of you to assume I haven't already. Bold. Okay, I'll play it on stream. Fine. Okay, does this work now? Now? Oh, I didn't compile. That's why. Well, I used to code with regular Notepad. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with people, dude? Just something with highlighting at least. Jesus. Were we in the wrong when my friends for my 18th birthday, we compiled a... Oh, I mean, I think that's sick, but I can definitely see somebody being extremely embarrassed. Wait, did she know that you knew it existed? Like, if she wasn't hiding it from you and you did that, then yeah, go for it. I think that's the question. She knew that we knew. But yeah, I think that's sick. Did she like it? I would love that. That shows like a level of care that I would not expect from most friends. I think that's neat. No, she was mortified. What? No, I love that. All right, my partner has messaged me saying they need me to untie a knot. So I'll use this time to get some water. So I'll be right back. I patiently release for the 2.0 release. 2.0 of what? But anyway, yeah, I'll be right back. All right, I am back. Oh wait, Keon, I refuse to believe that coding with Notepad wasn't awful. Like, you just can't convince me. Army, I am happy to report that I did not get divorced. Granted, we're not married, but good to know that I got to keep my relationship. Amaranth, I forgot that, yeah, I was streaming Rio. Yeah, I mean, Riolu said from the bugs I found, like, they've covered all the major stuff, they think. I don't know if you watched the last stream. You should go back to the YouTube archive if not, but basically I was in the middle of playing and I got on my bike in a cave and it wiped my save file, which is insane. But he thinks he knows what caused it and everything. But yeah, he says, I mean, he's hoping, I mean, I don't know if you saw the trailer, but like they're hoping to release it pretty soon now that they've ironed out all the major stuff. So I'm excited for this to finally come to fruition and, you know, happy to help a friend. Interesting. Huh. Okay. Why is it not going past what? That's so weird. Okay. I'm a fairy. Yes, you can be fairy type, RB. I've never heard of gay women referred to as fairies. I've only seen that in the context of men, and I don't know enough about the culture to know why that's the case, or if I'm just oblivious and that is a real thing. Oh, I see. Okay. I don't think it's used for women. I just like the term. I see. Okay. So it's not just me. All right. Just curious. Okay. Wait, so what is the maximum? So if you're changing your row, the max row is... Oh, these are completely fucked. Okay. Yeah. Max row and max column. No. No, I had that right. Max column is still 3. Max row is still 6. And then the row is first. So if you're changing the row, it's 6. And is it the first one? Right, so this should never go above 6. Okay. And then change column. Okay, so now this is changing to 1. Okay. Max column, max column. Oh, damn it. Did I fuck it again? This is changing the X coordinate. Okay, hold on. The column is the X coordinate. I should just change the word column to X. And I can't say a slur in chat. This usual way to... Why do you feel like you cannot say that? Because I feel like you can. Like, I feel like it's one of those, like, protected slurs, you know? Like, you can say it. I probably shouldn't say it. Not gonna say it. Yeah, I don't think that would bother me if a lesbian woman used that, especially in a non-derogatory way. I don't think Twitch allows it. Interesting. I mean, yeah, that's true. People are out here getting banned for using the C word, so yeah, it's all hands on deck. Fine. You gotta just open Kick Chat and just let it rip. See? That's why I'm streaming on Kick. You can just get it right here on stream. Nobody can stop you. Okay. Yeah, the column is the X coordinates. So these all need to be 0. And then the max column is 3. Okay. And then the row, these are all Y coordinates. So, okay. And then max row is 6. That makes sense. About row 2.0, run it. What you got? I don't know how many questions I'll be able to answer. Like, I know not a whole lot, but I'll try. Okay, let's see. Okay, You gotta edit the help bar too to be like select or a toggle back. Reset will clear all of them and run. I gotta figure out a better button combination for that. But perfect. Should I mod you on Kick? How do I do that? How do I mod you here? I will never use Kick again. Anytime you need to anytime you need to say some wild shit, just hop in a Kick chat, say it, and then drop. Perfect. I'm surprised you made an account for it, not gonna lie. But I support it. Moderators, here we go. Add new. Army. Army Marie. Oh, interesting. When I search you, you probably have to like verify your email or some shit. Because when I try to mod you, I can't. Oh well. I tried. Yeah, whatever. It's not a big deal. Okay, so now sort. Okay, yeah, Y is okay, almost there. So close. These need to be swapped so that because column is the X and this is the Y. Okay. Oh no, I'm not modded on the gambling pedophile platform. Oh no. I'm telling you, this is the real leftist pipeline army. It's the Kick kids. Okay. Okay. Oh, we're cooking now. All right. Yep, the Y is right. Oh fuck, no, it's wrong again. God damn it. Oh no, it's right. The X is 0, 1, 2. Okay, there shouldn't be a 3. Okay, so this is actually this, and then this is this. And then max column, and then this is almost there. Rows are the Y, so that should be 1, that should be 0. Okay, and then okay, and then Y is the X. Yeah, okay, all right, I think we're almost there. This is annoying. You forgot the bot platform army. And yeeted. Alright, cool. Got that quick 0 frame ban. Alright, let's see. Okay. Come on. All right, here we go. Almost. 0, 1, 2. Yep. All right, we are cooking, and now the calculation is completely fucked. Okay, so going right one should be 6. Okay, so I should just. It just needs to be, yeah, x times column plus y. And I think we are cooking. Okay. Okay. Yep. Ten. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah, shit. Oh, wait. 1, 5? No, the 1, 5 should be here. And then if I do down 1, yeah. Interesting. So that's correct. That's right. Okay, so 0, 5. Okay. So 0, 5 is 5, and 1, 0 should be 6. Is it just off by 1? That doesn't make any sense. Yeah, it's all off by 1. The first row is right. Yeah, okay. That's right. So why... No, it should be plus... Yeah, it should be... Oh, because it's plus 0, even though it's plus 1. That can't be right. Yeah, if x is greater... I see. Okay. I think I get it. There's got to be a smarter way to do that, though. If x is greater than 0... This is a disgusting exception that I need to figure out. And new coordinate, is it just plus 1? Almost certainly not, but we're going to see what happens. I wonder if max column should, or max row should be 6. No, that's not right. Okay. Oh, whoops. Wasn't supposed to press. Okay. Yeah, 6, 11. Wait, is that 11? So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Fuck, it's still wrong. Oh, it's plus X. I get it. Okay. I think. All right, let's try this. Yeah, is it X plus Y and then X times column? Is that the answer? Let's see. It's a math problem. Math problem. All right, let's see. 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's 6. That's 11. That's 17. There's 18 types, and it's 2-5, right? Hell yeah. Yep. Yeah. Okay, cool. All right, let's commit this. Okay. Added cursor move, or added invisible cursor movement. Invisible cursor movement to edit filter pages. Cool. Okay. Don't fucking play with me. I know you have. Okay, cool. And now, all right, so now let's get the A button to toggle, right? Okay, so this is now, yes, toggle filter selected. So toggle selected option, we're gonna call it that. Toggle selected option. Oh. Okay, so then it's static void species filter toggle. Oh no, edit page. Toggle selected option. And then basically, if it's toggled, turn it on, and if not, turn it off. Okay, so that's easy enough. Let's see. Current position. Okay, species filter, edit page. Wait, Amaranth, did you ask your row question and I just didn't see it? Like you started and then you like wound it up and then you didn't say anything. Oh, they're not even here anymore. All right, well, they'll be back. I'll be here. Not worried about it. All right. Let's see. Species filter, edit page. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna move this here, and then I'm gonna. That doesn't show up, right? If I move it up here, no, it doesn't. All right, that's fine. And then I'm gonna close it. So when I recompile, okay. And then this is get sprite ID, no, cursor coordinate. Oh no, get current, get list position. Hell yeah, okay. And then if that option, and then get current filter. That's another one I need. Get current position and filter list. And then for that filter, run through all the options, iterate through it, and if it's there, add it, and if not, find the first one that's not blank and set it to that. Okay, I think I can do that. All right, so now how do I find the struct where it's located? Yeah, I don't remember shit about this code. It's been so long. Print type sprites, make checkmark sprites. Okay, I did that. Print type icons, print check sprites. Okay, let's do this. Okay, hold on. How do I know to make it visible or not? Oh, I see. It's this one. Excuse me. I wonder if there's a way to check. Can I make this genericized? Yep, that's the debug. Okay. Buffer type properties. Oh, I don't have to build one for each type. Oh, I probably will have to. Yeah, there's no way to get around that. Alright, good to know. Okay. Okay. Types 0. Okay. Okay. I need type. Toggle selected. Okay. And then 32 type. And then if current filter is type 1, then you do that one. Filter types. Oh, interesting. There we go. Filter list type 1. Then you do... Oh no, you can just do current filter, right? Yeah, okay. Alright. Types per mon. Oh, interesting. Types per mon is filter index. Yeah, so that's 0, 1. Current filter. And then this one is type index. Okay, so it's like run through all of those. Okay, so now let's see. Indexed. Oh, thank you. I was like, why are you saying that? That is helpful. Appreciate it. Okay, so type index is that, and then a for loop for type index is 0. Thank you. You nailed it. Great. And then this is number of mon types, right? Yep. No, I always forget the iterator, dude. And then I just have these loops that just don't fucking end. It's the worst. Okay. So you cycle through all those. And if it's selected... Oh, wait, hold on. Yeah, if the current type... Okay, got it. So if S filter set... Oh, what the hell is that? just discovered some cool tech. If S filter set filter types. Oops. Current filter types. Type index. Okay, so if the type we're looking at right now equals if it equals current position, then turn it off. Then set it to type none. Filter types. Filter types index. I gotta make a get setter for that. Equals type none. Okay. So if it's there, you do it. And then if it's not, and then you return, right? Because you're done. Right. And then if it doesn't happen by the end of the function, then you set it. Also, if it's empty, then you break. Okay, so if at any point it equals type none, then you know you're done. And then you set to current position. And then you update the check marks. Okay. Yeah. Edit page type toggle selection. Okay. And then species filter edit page toggle selected option. Okay, and this is just the generic setting. Yeah, this just calls all of them. I need to make a table of this, but for now, it can just be this. And then update the check marks. How do I... Okay. Where's the checkmark functions? Toggle selected option, yep. Okay. Set checkmark visibility. I wonder if I just run this again. So that, I think you don't, oh wait, are we blitting these or no? Because it's a sprite, right? Yeah, it's a sprite. Okay. Okay. And so Set check visibility. Yeah, I think you just toggle that with the current filter. Right? Current filter. This feels excessive, but it's fine. All right, what am I missing? Whoa. 4172. Oh, I didn't declare them, duh. Set cursor. Okay. All right. 4272. Expected semicolon. What? What the hell? What do you mean? What's wrong? Type index. Yep. I don't understand what you're missing. Yeah. What's the problem? Expected expression before 4. Oh. Uh-oh. Partner's looking at me. I'm in trouble. Hold on 1 second. Let's see. All right, we're back. No crises. All right, let's compile this baby. Let's see. All right, she opens. All right, and oh, okay. So now, if I what the hell? Did it work? I have no idea if it worked. Why didn't the... As you get older, do you get more apprehensive about making your mama jokes because there's a higher chance of mom being dead? No. I mean, maybe I should, but I do not. And if they say my mom is dead, I go... I mean, every time that's happened, they say my mom is dead, and I go, oh my god, I'm sorry. They go, it's fine. Yeah. Or they laugh about it too. And when I'm actually trying to insult somebody, like I don't use yo mama jokes. Like I only would use yo mama joke with somebody I think who would take it well if their mom was actually dead when I said it. Yeah, I think that's where I stand. Yeah, I'm just not friends with the people who would be offended by that. Old people are not so bad after all, turns out. Some of us should get to live when the Great Revolution comes. Remember me fondly. Okay, why is this not working? Okay, so if you come up against type 0, then you're done, and then set that. What if there are none? That's not possible. You're almost at the age you can run a Congress. There is like a minimum of 80. It's insane. I mean, you say that, but our VP is 40, so our incoming VP is 40, which is an insane sentence in and of itself. Okay, I also need to make it so that, yeah, if it's already there, you break, so you won't be there twice. Should I? No, JD Vance is 40. Come here. Yeah, wait, did you think she was younger or older than that? That seems about right. So certainly comes off as younger than 60, but yeah, that doesn't shock me. Yeah, it's crazy that that was supposed to be the hip new young candidate at a. Oh no. I mean, she's looking good for 60. Not gonna lie. I'm not gonna fight that. Yeah, I feel like 60 is younger than you think it is, but still ancient. I get it. We stand a gilf. 3x my age. Yeah, I get it. Yeah, I don't. It's fair for perspective. If that's true, break and do this. Why don't the checks update? Is almost 4x my age. Jesus. You're right. That's crazy. Damn. Spread ID. Oh, interesting. This is setting it, but we should actually toggle it. Something weird about Unbound is that the game gives you light for the third gym. It doesn't feel useful at all, and I wonder if that was intentional. I don't think it was considered. I don't think Skelly thought about it as deeply as you are thinking about it right now. I think that's the answer. Okay, I need to toggle the visibility. Let's just do. Static void. Bro is toggle. You damn right I am. I wonder if this should just be toggle from the jump. Yeah, actually, I think that might be smarter. Is like this is right now. It's setting it to false, and it should just be whatever it is opposite of that. Or no, it should match if it's there or not. This goes through all the types. So if that type is true, okay. And then if not, it's false. Okay. Interesting. It has the current filter. It goes through all the types. Okay. Here we go. Invisibility is false because it found it. What if you go through all the types? Yeah, okay. So it should be sprite ID dot invisible, but now, okay, let's see, what does that do? Because they should be default invisible, right? Save check ID. Get check ID. Yes, it is invisible by default. Okay. So it shouldn't look any different. Okay. Okay, so then why doesn't that work? Bruh, I am really... No, I don't think you're overthinking. I think that's the level of depth that is required to make these decisions, and Skelly just didn't do that, and you are. I think. I'm not, like, firm in that belief, but that is what I guess is happening here. So, it's like a good thing. Like, you should be proud of that, IMO. In his thinking era, exactly. Okay. Set check visibility. Okay, so that will toggle it. Then why doesn't it happen? Let's just see, does this function even run? Actually, after this is over, I want you to give me a report. Like, who is... okay, debug, print. Option I is type, right? And then I'm gonna do type index, and then get G type info. Oh, I have to store it. Oh God. Okay. Filter type, current filter. Oh, nope. Types, type index. What the hell is happening here? Oh, do I not have a close bracket? Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, if it's not none, then what the fuck is it? I should store that. Yeah. Let's see. Bro is in the toggle selected option. Oh wait, why aren't you compiling? Oh my God, where did I miss a semicolon? Oh, got it. Excuse me. Okay, it's fine. All right. Heads up. I'm gonna leave in about a half hour. I gotta go to a real life obligation. But hopefully everybody had a good time. Not that I'm dying, you know, just might stream tomorrow. We'll see. Has no member called filter type. What the hell? Filter types. Oh, okay, got it. That's what I get for not using an IDE. Actually, Army, I was thinking that maybe I'll just go to vanilla NeoVim soonish. if only to get things to catch things like that. Like, okay, I feel like I got Vim down now. How do we up our efficiency game now? So yeah, just something I've been thinking about. Like, just okay, vanilla ass Neo Vim. I was thinking about adding randomized team certain trainers, but I read into this will make everyone use stall, and I was right. Randomized teams to certain trainers. This will make everyone use stall. Wait, I don't quite understand the correlation there. Like, I think stall. Okay, here's my hot take. In every competitive game, unless the game designer, goes out of your way to make it unviable to do so, stall will always be the dominant playstyle. Like, defensive play will just win out, and you as a game designer have to go out of your way to make stall not fun or good. Like, fighting games have this problem a lot, where like they have to make it so that like offense is rewarded. But I don't think randomizing trainers would directly correlate to people wanting to use stall, unless I'm missing something. Also, did you see the trainer pool function or feature that Hedera is writing? Because I think that's like right up your alley. Like, I feel like that feature was written for you. Here, I'll post it in chat. Like, I feel like this is for you. I'm like randomizing gainers. What? 4278 toops. Where did I type in toops? Oh, there it is. Okay, here we go. I'm trying Valorant till I wish me luck. Why? Not that I have anything against Valorant, but I'm interested as to why. Girl invited me to. Girl you like or just friend? Like somebody that you have. Oh no, this is not good at all. Wait, that's option 0. I'm in option 1. Interesting. Oh. Oh, what the hell? What the fuck is going on? She listened to the entire of GKMC. Good Kid, Mad City. Ooh, I knew what that was. So I'm obligated to. Okay, I think that's a fair trade. It's just because stall, semi-stall is very consistent with the randomized team. Stall is always convenient, consistent, but it might push people to using it more. Crystal somehow has a tutorial. Crystal somehow, some way has a tutorial just adding randomized trainer teams. Oh, that's cool. I think like when people do not have safety and stability, yes, they will turn back to stall. But if you don't want that, just make stall unappealing. Like, just punish players for doing that. Like, you can do that. You're the game designer. You fucking run this bitch. All right. So what I got. Number of mon types. Should it? Okay. I think I understand. Current filter. Oh, species filter? Hold on. Okay, what if we just made this 0? Okay, let's try that now. All right, well, have fun with Valorant. I've never played it, but I've heard good things. Obviously, it's still around long enough to be good. And Riot does make good video games for the most part. Don't get too addicted. I've seen that happen. It's not good. You already know I'm doing stuff like only giving healing moves 2 to 3 PP. Yep, exactly. Also, turning some passive support moms into offense ready to tell people, yes, this Pokemon is defensive utility, but it can still do damage and sweep. Just saying. Yeah, no, that's exactly it. Yeah. These are literally the things I'm talking about. Just make stall bad, and then you can do whatever you want with randomized trainers. Like, I think you have a thing you want to do, go do it, and figure out how to make it viable. Why does it keep saying option 0? It should print all of them, right? Okay, let's try something else. So, current option. Okay, so current option is S filter set, and then we're looking at filter types, and we're looking at current filter types. Oh. God damn it. Types, type index. Do you have experience, Army, with other FPSs, or is this your first one? Like, there was a point in time on the internet where you just knew that anybody with a certain technical literacy had played Counter-Strike, but I feel like you're young enough where that's not true anymore. If current option is type none, break. Okay. If current option equals type none, then you break. Okay. And now this just becomes current. Oh, hold on. Current option. Dot name. Okay. And then you're iterating through. Oh, wait, hold on. S filter types. Yeah, it's the last one that should be changing. Yeah, okay. And we just run through all of those. And then, oh, it's always returning. It never gets to the next one, huh? Okay. That's why. Okay. If, okay. Oh, shit. Source UI Pokédex. Okay. Silly logic error. Overwatch 2 used to be my main FPS, but the game did not feel rewarding to play. Winning didn't feel good, and games in general didn't feel good. I can only describe Overwatch as a mood killer. It makes you feel miserable 10 to 16 minutes. That's how people describe League. No, with League, everything is the exact same, except people seem to enjoy the rush of winning League. Like, that feels good. And instead of 10 to 60 minutes, it's like 20 to 30 minutes, because those games are pretty long if memory serves. I've played League once. I played Dota 1 a good amount. Enough to know I didn't like MOBAs. Never played Dota 2 or any other MOBAs after that. Okay. What the hell? Okay, what is the number it's finding there? And then it gets to 0. Okay. Type none. Yeah. Reset to default. Okay. Yeah, these should all be their own functions, and then a lookup table. I'll do that later. Okay. Okay, for type 0, how many types are in? No, there's like 7, so it definitely shouldn't be stopping. Okay. Debug print F option whatever is whatever. Is which is type whatever. Okay, and then here we're gonna just put current. Okay, let's see what happens. I remember spending months trying to get better at the game and learning from higher ranked players, but I was never improving despite other people saying I was D-ranked from bronze, silver on my rank. Oh shit, that is... Despite other people saying you were, and then you got D-ranked. That is depressing. That is, yeah. That's competitive games. It's hard to get players to like continually improve, and it feels good to do so. Like that is a hard problem to solve. Okay, here we go. Okay. Huh. Actually, hold on. 13, 7, 11, 1, 12. Yeah, these all... Is 11 there twice, really? Okay. Interesting. She gets a 9, which is fairy, which is the last type, yeah. Oh, interesting. Okay. Oh, is type 0? Type none the first? It is. Okay. Doesn't help that Overwatch 2 is a team game, so even if you get better, there's no guarantee it's enough to carry, and the culture in Overwatch makes you feel like a trash player not being able to solo carry. I mean, League has that same problem too. I mean, isn't the strat in both those games to only play with your friends? Like, if you don't have a 5 stack, you just don't fucking play? Or I guess 4 stack now in Overwatch? Yeah, like, I feel like those games you just cannot play with strangers. Multiplayer games is kind of sad. I agree. I don't bother anymore. Yeah, same. It's not great. Where do I go from here? Just not a fan of. I like TF2, but it's not really something I want to play anymore. Is that because Valve has just left TF2 in like an awful state, or are you just not into competitive multiplayer things? Because nobody would blame you if you just said, yeah, fuck it, I don't want to play with bots anymore. Why is it just... Oh, because that's not supposed to be D. Holy shit, I'm a fucking idiot. That's why. Okay, so this is... Is it S? Holy fucking shit. I have a singular brain cell. That's insane. Also, I guess I should not double up. So this should be... Okay, so grass and fire. All right. 5, 6, 7. All right. Marvel Rivals has the same issue, but the game doesn't feel completely miserable. Even when you're losing, you just feel indifferent. And I think just me being jaded. I think that's fair. And yeah, and again, indifferent is never a feeling you want to like. If people are feeling indifferent about your game, you did a bad job, or something is wrong. Huh? Why does it stop? Depending on where I am in the list. Oh, interesting. What the hell? What is going on? It's like looking at a different list every time. Bug is on both lists. Okay, I know one problem is that the position can never be 0. Okay, so let's see. Set page, set check visibility. Okay, hold on. Current option. Okay, for the type page, it's +1. And then, or I wonder, should I just be setting it like get current position is always just gonna be +1 from whatever you gave me? Yeah, I think that's the answer. It should be at the set level, right? Yeah, it should be like the 0th position when I get to the page. Like you calculate it. I think, okay, it needs to be at the calculation level. Yes, okay. So set from coordinates. Okay. No. Let's see. Toggling, setting. Okay. New coordinate. Okay, and then this. Got it. Making a competitive system that doesn't make you feel horrible about yourself seems like a very hard task. It is. It's an incredibly hard task. I think competitive Splatoon was nice, but it's been a decade since I played that. From what I understand, that community is still like kicking. Not saying you should go play Splatoon, but I think it's proof that it is possible. Like someone has done it. Okay. All right, so we're onto something in that. So these are all the filters that are on. That works. And then when I press A on type 0, it tells me, oh, why does it toggle them all? It shouldn't do that. Okay, I see what happens. It gets to 8, which is 0, and then it stops. And then there are none toggled. And then when I press A again, it toggles them all back on. Okay, yeah, that's not gonna work. Actually, type option. Normal was already set. Okay. Does option 3 ever not become normal? It doesn't. All right, let's focus on that first. Why does option 3 never not become normal? Okay, so current option is normal. And then get current position in filter list. We'll come back to that later. Actually, this is probably fine now. I figured that out. Get current position. All right, so current position. That should be 1 now. That's 1. Yeah, so if type. Yeah, so if. Oh, this should be current option. Okay, hold on. Okay, so now this is if current option is the same as your current position, then you turn it off. Yes, okay. And then on a positive note, I've been having fun with some PvE games, even if developers have a habit of nerfing everything to ground for PvE. Oh, because like they want to extend the like length, like breadth of the game. That is annoying. What are some big PvE games right now? Actually, I actually don't know the answer to this because I'm a fake gamer. All right, does this work? Interesting. So normal is still there. Why? Oh. Oh, and then it never gets to type none. Oh shit. Okay. That's why. Okay. It gets to 3 and then stops. That's why. Okay. If you see your thing in there, then it's there. And if you get all the way through. Oh, okay. Helldivers 2 is pretty big. Oh, yeah, I've heard of that. Okay. After its latest update, they added a new enemy faction and the fucking car, as you can traverse with the car now. Yeah, no, Helldivers, I know, is hella popular. Which is great. Yeah, instead of breaking Helldivers, or not Helldivers, whoops. This should be, if current option is none, then you remember that. Then it's like, first unset. Oh, I see. Okay, so it's twink o'clock. What? Please help. First unset. If first unset spot and first unset is true and unset spot is now type index. Yeah, okay. Alright, this can move down now that I understand what the fuck is happening there. Actually, I'm gonna put it here. Okay. Alright, so now if type none and it's never been set, damn, I gotta fix the nesting here. I'm gonna lose my mind. Then the current position. Oh, you can do continue now. Cool. Okay. And then if you do that, you can filter it. And if not, then you can do, this needs to be unset spot. Needs to be the current position. Okay, cool. Oh man, what a disaster of a function. Holy shit. Yes, Army, can you please explain to the chat what twink o'clock means? Please and thank you. Come on. Unset spot. Oh, got it. Okay. 4295. 4295. Go. Unset spot is okay. Here we go. Okay. Hell yeah. Option 21. What the? Oh, God. Okay. All right. So this should just make normal. It didn't even run. Interesting. Why didn't it run? All right, we got some work to do. Okay, actually, that debug function is probably making my life more difficult than it needs to be. So we're going to disable it. Okay, let's see. Okay. Cool. Oh, why is that 0? Hold on. Why is that 21? Type index? How did type index get to fucking 21? Oh, I need to skip mystery. God, I fucking hate that so much. Oh my God. And this is... Yep. Jesus Christ. Option. Yeah, okay, got it. Okay, so this, if type index equals type mystery. Oh, God. If type index is type mystery, then please continue. If type index is greater than type fairy, then also fuck off. God, I fucking hate this shit. Okay. Oh God, one day, type mystery, I will be rid of you. The world will be a better place for it. And I need to... No, I need to cycle through all these. It's at the type level. set. Yeah, it's set cursor position. Set list position. So if current filter is types, then you just add another one. Yeah, if the position yeah, I gotta do it at this state, this level. Okay. New coordinate. Okay. All right, I need to write myself a note to do. Set list position. Set list position to account for mystery, stellar, etc. Needs to take existing type, need to take list position and set value based on current filter. All right. Oh, and another ban. Cool. All right. This is a good enough stop, and then I'll just make a commit to started on toggling options on filter, edit pages. Okay, gonna push that. All right, we're gonna call it. Maybe I'll be around tomorrow. We'll see. If I do, it'll be late, but we'll see. But thanks for stopping by, everybody, and I will talk to you guys later. Peace.